In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok 3 AI image generator. Whether you're an experienced graphic designer or just someone who loves dabbling with creative tools, Grok 3 provides a user-friendly platform for generating stunning and imaginative images with the help of AI. So let's dive in and explore the process step by step. To begin with, you'll need to open Grok on your device and log into your account. If you haven't set up your account yet, you might want to take a moment to do that, as logging in will grant you access to all the features Grok 3 has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main interface, which is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to create a new chat. This may sound unusual for an image generator, but creating a new chat is essentially opening a new project where your ideas will take shape. Think of it as a blank canvas waiting for your creative input. Once you've started a new chat, you'll want to look for the option to create an image from the available menu. Grok offers different options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're focused on creating images. Selecting this option will take you to the next stage where you start the magic. The heart of the Grok 3 process is in how you communicate your vision, so the next thing you'll need to do is type your prompt clearly. This is your opportunity to describe exactly what kind of image you want to create. So take a moment to be as detailed and specific as possible. The AI pulls from your prompt to create something that aligns closely with what you're envisioning. After entering your prompt, it's time to click the Generate button. It's exciting because now you're letting the AI do its work, crafting an image based on your input. This step usually takes just a moment as the AI creates your image. Once the image has been generated, you'll be presented with several options to choose from. It's a good idea to review these options as they may vary slightly. Choose the result that best matches your vision. Remember, the more precise your initial prompt, the closer these options will be to what you imagined. Finally, once you've selected your preferred image, you have a couple of choices. You can download the image directly to your device, so you have it for whatever creative projects you have in mind, or you can share it directly from the platform, perhaps to showcase your creation to friends, colleagues, or on social media. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily navigate Grok 3 and create amazing images with the power of AI. Whether for personal use or professional projects, Grok 3 opens the door to endless creative possibilities.